Can meal replacement shake help you to lose weight?
First, let's find out what is meal replacement. When you want to lose weight, it can be very difficult to get all the nutrients that you need from your diet. Meal replacement shakes are designed to provide all the nutrients that you should consume in a complete meal. They are low in calories, which is around 200 and 400 calories only. It's very convenient because it's easy to drink on the go. It's best for people who have busy schedule and still want to lose weight. It also helps you to avoid unhealthy meals because you save time to prepare healthy meals, and it's a healthier alternative to fast food and processed food. It's not only help you losing weight, it also helps with weight maintenance and improve physical health and quality of life, including mental health and vitality. Bodykey by Nutrilite meal replacement shakes are scientifically formulated to provide the essential complete nutrients that you need in a meal. Each shake contains 70 grams of plant-based protein, so vegetarian can take as well. 5 grams of added fiber to avoid constipation, and 22 vitamins and minerals to support your overall health.
Is it low in calories?
Oh yes, it gives you only 205 calories per shake.
Wow, it's really fantastic.
Okay, this high in protein shake helps you to feel fuller longer and reduce your late night cravings. It also helps to increase your lean body mass and reduce your body fat. So, choose the best meal replacement that gives you complete nutrients, low in calories, high in protein, zero trans fat, with added fiber and no artificial ingredients and no added preservative. Achieving your dream body goal is not a dream anymore with Bodykey.